Detox water is infused water that is believed to help cleanse the body and support weight loss efforts. While detox water alone won't magically make you lose weight, it can be a refreshing and hydrating addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle. Here are 10 detox water recipes that you can try. 1. Lemon and mint detox water. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a pitcher of water and add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Let it infuse overnight in the refrigerator. Lemon can aid digestion, and mint adds a refreshing flavor. 2. Cucumber and lime detox water. Slice a cucumber and a lime and add them to a pitcher of water. Refrigerate for a few hours to allow the flavors to infuse. Cucumber helps with hydration, while lime adds a zesty kick. 3. Apple cider vinegar detox water. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a liter of water. You can add a teaspoon of honey for taste if desired. Apple cider vinegar is believed to aid digestion and support weight loss efforts. 4. Berry Blast Detox Water. Combine a handful of mixed berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with water. Refrigerate for a few hours to infuse the flavors. Berries are rich in antioxidants and can add a burst of natural sweetness. 5. Ginger and lemon detox water. Grate a small piece of fresh ginger and squeeze the juice of a lemon into a pitcher of water. Allow it to infuse in the refrigerator overnight. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can aid digestion. 6. Watermelon and mint detox water. Cut chunks of fresh watermelon and add them to a pitcher of water along with a handful of mint leaves. Refrigerate for a few hours to let the flavors meld together. Watermelon is hydrating and naturally sweet. 7. Pineapple and coconut detox water. Add pineapple chunks and a few slices of fresh coconut to water. Let it infuse in the refrigerator for a few hours. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. 8. Cinnamon and orange detox water. Add a cinnamon stick and slices of orange to a pitcher of water. Refrigerate for a few hours to infuse the flavors. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, and oranges are rich in vitamin C. 9. Aloe vera and lemon detox water. Mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with the juice of half a lemon and water. Aloe vera has detoxifying properties and may support digestion. 10. Green tea and citrus detox water. Brew green tea and let it cool. Add slices of citrus fruits like lemon, lime, and orange to the tea. Refrigerate and enjoy. Green tea is known for its antioxidant properties, and citrus fruits add a refreshing twist. Remember to stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water, whether it's infused with fruits, herbs, or other natural ingredients. Detox water can be a flavorful alternative to sugary beverages and can complement a balanced diet and active lifestyle.